Hey guys, I'm Ben from Benny's Tech. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add ChatGTP app to your phone. So I'm going to be using an iOS phone to explain. So select your browser on your phone. Sorry, it's already open on my phone. Let me open another browser. So go to your search bar and type in chat.openai.com. So for old, I already logged in on my browser, so it opened up for new user to tell you to sign in or to log in. So let me explain what this ChatGTP does. It's an AI search tool. It can help you for your businesses, for those in school, for presentation, for office. It's a latest search tool and it's amazing. So let me give you guys an example for those business owners. Let me search for as in social media content for tech business. For tech business. Okay. Ideas. Don't mind my typing, guys. Okay. I need to give you at least nothing less than 10 tips. See? I've been using this for my business, for my tech business, and it's been amazing. And it even writes code, so it's an amazing tool. So back to why we're here today. Let me teach you guys how to add this ChatGTP to your phone. Okay, go to this setting, this arrow pointing up, click it on your browser, then search for add to home screen. It's right here. And here, this arrow pointing up, click it, then search for add to home screen. And there's a plus sign with the side, then select it. Then type in the name you want to use to save this app on your phone. You click add. See, it's easy and it saves on your phone like an app. Very easy. So each time you want to search for anything, you want to use it, you just go to your browser, go to your home screen, click on it, and it opens it directly. So easy to locate. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials. Click on that notification button so anytime I post any video you get notified. And if you want us to make more videos on all other topics, please don't forget to comment on what you want us to make the video on. Thank you guys for watching.